Jacob, so I'm at the Assignments tab in one of my Canvas courses, and you'll notice here that you can create your groups right from this list. So let's say you wanted to create some new groups, maybe practice. Maybe you wanted to have a group that said tests, let's say. Okay, so I created 2 new groups right here from this window, and you'll notice here that they just drop right down here, and you can reorganize all your assignments by just dragging and dropping. And if you have a group that you don't want anymore, you can drag and drop them into a new group, and then when you have everything dragged and dropped out, you can delete the group from this breadcrumb right here. So I hope that helps.